In today's short quick video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook Messenger call ended problem. First thing guys you want to do is go to the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps, go to the messenger right here, click on force stop, and after that go back and click on the storage. When you click on the storage, click here on clear data and then go back again, click on the data usage right here and make sure that the Wi-Fi and the mobile data and the background data and the roaming data, everything should be enabled. Go back again and click on the power usage details, disable the power consumption alert and click down here on force stop. After that, open the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. Search for Messenger and update it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial.